I'm always fascinated by sharks, how they identify. So cool.
So we were looking at baby lemon sharks, and we would do a lot of tagging and release. Yeah, I think they get lemon because they have that kind of yellowy color.
Mhm.
But they're really one of the bigger sharks here.
When you're actually diving with them, can you actually see the lemon color?
Not really.
This has probably been asked.
Yeah, they look a little more like just regular gray.
This kind of thing, like that's the.
Yeah.
All right.
The trick to telling, though, if you pull up the picture on the far right, though, it's got a lemon. They come with a lemon, and no. But if you see the second fin, so the first fin looks big, and then the second fin looks just as big.
This one here.
Yeah, that's kind of the trick. When the second fin is pretty big, that's how you can tell it's a lemon shark.
Okay, so let's look at this one here that's gone.
Yeah.
So this one and this one are relatively the same size.
Yeah. So the second one, in most sharks, it's a lot smaller.
Okay.
Yeah, but in that lemon shark, it's pretty close to the same size.
Okay, you can really see it there.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty neat.
Yeah.
So it's a lemon shark.
Yep.
Are they aggressive or pretty docile?
Most sharks really aren't that aggressive.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if you mess with them, yeah. Definitely.
Sure.
But
most
we
animals
spent
will.
a lot of time. They had these pens, like temporary pens, out on the beach, and most of what we worked with were juveniles, so they were 2 feet long. Mm-hmm. But really, you could just walk in the water and they'd swim around you. I've never been bitten by a shark in all of my years of sharks.
Oh, we're gonna come back to all your years of sharks here in a minute. Let's talk a little more about the place in the Bahamas.
Oh, no,
a neat little thing you did.
Yeah, so I was there for about 3 months, and that's where the other picture comes in, the one with me leaning over the boat with the tiger shark. No, the other one. That one.
Here we're gonna put a picture of Amber up here, people. Watch this. There we go.
Yeah, that's me in the Bahamas. That is a juvenile tiger shark.
You just hang it on?
Yeah.
Just for fun?
So we caught that on a long line. So what you would do is the lines are long. They can be anywhere from several yards to several miles long.
Miles long?
Yeah.
How do you keep it from getting tangled?
You anchor it. So you anchor it at one end and then drive your boat and then anchor it at the other end and they stay where they're at.
Okay.
So the line doesn't move. And so Bimini, they have permanent long lines that are out there. And so every week they go out and they check the long lines and they'll tag animals and take data on anyone that are previously tagged and then release them. And so when people catch tagged animals, or if we see the same tagged animal again, it gives them information about the movement pattern of the sharks. Mm-hmm. Sometimes they come back seasonally, like to mate because it was a mating or a nursery ground. So the large females would come back to mate there and like have their babies and pups and then go off again. Mm-hmm. And so, so they would tag, these were the tiger sharks. That one's a baby tiger shark. So it was like reborn a couple months before this picture.
Oops, quite large.
No, they get really big.
This looks really big. That's the dorsal fin, right?
Yeah, that's the dorsal fin.
There's the head up here
That's
somewhere.
the head, yeah.
The tail's way over here.
Yep, there's the tail.
I assume that's a 12 or 15-foot boat.
It's like a 13-foot boat, yeah.
So it's half the size of the boat almost.
Yeah.
So
no,
it's
only like a 2-foot shark.
Oh, it looks much bigger in the photo.
Yeah, perspective there. I've got it kind of forward.
I suppose.
That's like when you take those pictures of big snakes and you just hold them out.
Hold them out, yeah, wait for it. Yeah, that's true. That's really cool.